Hello boys and girls, day 3 of the Renault tidy up. And look at that, Xenia's doing a good job over there. Is it bad? Damn. It is not sucking, we need to sort this out. Basically the Hoover didn't want to...
It's sucky.
Okay, leave it, I'll do it in a minute. Yeah, 1 second. How is it going, my dudes?
The hoover's really bad.
I bet.
I tried to hoover the rocks, but the rocks just fall out again.
It's alright. What are you doing at the moment?
I sprayed the car and the rocks.
Cool. The kids did not look too excited, to say the least. But at least they've done a pretty cleaning out this sexy Scenic. Okay, so we've got a charger for our good neighbor Dave. So now, charging up the battery. Let's make sure everything's switched off and stuff in here. Everything is switched off. Okay, let it charge. So let it charge, and I'm gonna go and get some more cleaning stuff. Okay guys, as I showed you before, this back to black stuff is pretty damn good for all these grayed out panels and shit.
What's your name?
My name is Now.
Now.
Yeah.
What's your
and
name?
Sakla.
Sekla.
Yeah.
Where are you from, guys?
Japan.
Japan.
Yeah.
Where in Japan?
Yeah. Kobe.
Kobe, alright. So my question is, what do you think about the stereotype? Once you go black, you never go back.
Even if they're not grayed out, it will give them a nice deeper color. So you just spray it on like paint, and we're gonna leave it on.
We don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yeah.
Like here, there's a black guy.
Yeah. Black guy?
Yeah, black guy.
See, so it makes it all nice and shiny.
We love it. I think. Yeah. Yes, I like.
You like black guy?
Oh yeah.
Why you like black guy? What's the thing with the...
It smells nice as well, for a pound. Oh shit, it's for about a pound.
Black
Why
guy.
so cool?
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah.
And also shit like this usually likes black to black. See? So we're gonna buy some more of this shit and make it shiny. See, I sprayed lights with silicone and they look like new. So we need some silicone as well. Gonna use up all the back to blacky. See how much we need to buy. I think that's my last one. Okay dudes, today we've got shitty weather, a bit wet. It doesn't matter because we're gonna be doing a wet job anyway. Now first thing, I wanna wash this car, but we have a little problemo. Some dick, well, I'm not gonna say that because it's probably one of my kids. Opened the window in this, and obviously the battery died, and obviously we can no longer close it. So I'm gonna really chance it and get this battery. Maybe it's alive, and we can quickly jump start it. Close the window and give it a nice proper wash. Oh, bang. Okay, so we have some jump leads here. Let's see, maybe we can just load this battery straight in. It's fucking small cunt, isn't it? One on there. One on there. Oh, yes. It works, baby. It fucking works. it fucking works. And someone switched on all the lights and everything. So this is good. Let's switch everything off, please. Switch off. Can't. Not enough. Come. Come on. Come on. Oh yes. So, see how good it is to have a spare battery at hand. Kids switch the lights on and everything. Oh well, kids are kids. And as I said before, start scrubbing it like the biggest putty. On this program, we give good care to all cars. Even if they're not Beamers. So first of all, get plenty of water on there so that you don't scratch the paintwork. Even though I don't really give that much of a shit, I still want it to look nice. Ooh, damn. It's loose as a motherfucker. Loose as a poos. See, and it's still gone a bit matty, even though we did all that yesterday. Still, however, not as bad as this one. Or maybe just this is dirty as usual. Fuck me, how am I gonna get in there? Oh yeah, I was gonna say, don't forget to take all this shit off, because it really makes the car look shit. And then people think you've covered up door, you know, all them scuffs, chips. And we haven't, because our car is like a spanker, meaning brand spanking new. Look at that shit coming off everywhere. So obviously this is not the main wash. This will rub off with some silicone, but we are doing this to see, well, first of all to give it a quick wash, and then to see where any flaws are that we correctly need to touch up, and then maybe take off this gay shit. Alright, let's get on it anyway. Okay, my dudes, I think this car has got the weirdest bonnet opening latch. Where the fuck is it? I've already been here for 5 minutes, and I'm probably gonna spend another 5 minutes trying to fucking unlock this pussy. Oh my god, it's like, I think you need to push this or something. Or it's, it's in here. Oh, I just felt it, and you can just push it down in case it breaks. Oh, okay. So let's clean this bad boy up. Obviously don't go wild on this, just a quick surface clean, because you don't want to get electrics all fucked up because of water. And after all, this is French, and it's very, very temperamental. One day you switch it on, it's fine. Another day it says electric defecteur, and this means you are fucking fucked, because Renault sometimes costs to fix more than BMW, believe it or not. Yeah, fucking sneaky French frogs. So they make their car cheap, and then they shaft you up your bottom with a black dildo. So we're just gonna give it a quick surface wipe like it was all new. But I must say, this plastic is not bad actually. You know, to feel, it's not too bad. I like. Anyway, let's just put these back for now, so we don't have electric defecture. And without being too mad with the moisture, just give it a good old wipe in all the nooks and crannies. I kind of trying to organize this, guys, as you have witnessed, but it all goes anus up because we're working in here every day, baby. So let's see if we can get this light to work. See, we have everything. Well, we don't have everything, we have something, but it's in a very, very dire fucking state. Everything's about to die, basically. Is this where dire comes from? The word dire? English people explain in comments. Where does the word dire come from? I'm very interested in linguistics. Oh shit. So what the hell is all this, man? Have the light on this side like this. I don't know what kind of accent was that, but it sounds very sexy, no? The like a song, the like a song. Yeah, don't do it when it's fucking plugged in, because you're probably gonna electrocute yourself. You're a honky ass. So make sure that it's all disconnected, especially when you go fucked up.
Get this running go. What happened, say? What's in the ass?
Bulb like this. God damn it. This is a fucking dodgy central. Okay. Oh man, I'm actually scared sticking it in. Yeah, let's stick it in before the fucking electric is in as well. Sticking it in is dangerous, as you know, guys. And always, if in doubt, pull it out.
Enjoy that.
But for now, we're just gonna stick it in. Voila! Nice. Not sure how long it's gonna last because this fucking feels dodgy. But at least now we can see the engine bay. I also need some spray. Okay, yeah, so not to keep having to buy these rip-off sprays all the time. All it is just soapy water, dudes. So you just fucking get a bit of shampoo for £1, which will last you about 50 of these sprays. Whack it in there. I'm teaching you how to save some dough, so you don't have to drive shitters like this. I'm only joking. You know, it's a decent granddad's car. Can't laugh about it. Oh fuck, I think our life is about to explode. Ooh. God damn. Look, it's got air conditioning and basically everything that you want.
What do we get for $10? Everything you want.
For $5, saki.
$15, two buku. $5 each. Me saki.
That's right. Everything you want. You know, all it takes is a quick wipe of all this shit when you're washing a car, and then it doesn't look like shit like this. But I don't know, I guess some people just prefer sitting there and watch some footy or something. I don't know, I'm not really into footy. It's a bit faggot for me. Oh, these faggots with their pretty boy haircuts running around, pouncing about, chasing a fucking football. Go and do something useful. Go and, I don't know, make something. Go and make a car so it doesn't have to be made in China. Go and make a piece of equipment so it doesn't have to be made in China. Just fucking do something, but not bounce about and then fucking moan that your life's shit. That's the motto, guys, that's the motto. Oh shit. So concentrate your detergent on these really dirty bits. Get rid of all the spiders, all the cobwebs, obviously. Don't need to explain that shit to you. And this is dirty, look at that. This was...
Drague sur internet, c'est facile, hein. Quand on n'est pas trop moche, avec l'embarras du choix. Disons que je suis une femme assez libérée. Ouais. Je rencontrais plein d'hommes, hein, mais sexuellement, c'était pas ça. Enfin, je grimpais pas au rideau. Et puis un jour, j'ai rencontré Paul.
Dirty slag.
Et là, mais alors lui, mais vraiment, il savait y faire, quoi. C'était l'extase.
Dirty slag. Oh, maybe just take this fucking cover off. Ah, nah, I can't be asked. What's the point? Just give it a spray and a wipe. All they're gonna look at is this. But this stuff, you can use the other side for. And make it shiny. But yeah, don't forget on the inside as well. Not bad at that. Not bad at all. We'll get microfiber in a second to just mop up all this shizer. Oh yeah, look at that. Show you from this side. Just use your wife's dish cleaning mop. Remember to put it back so that she can wash your dishes with it later, obviously. And yeah, give it a scrub. And then this engine is gonna look like brand spanking new. I'm telling you. But the engine mounts okay, and this fucking looks a bit dodgy.
And tune in very soon to see this ugly French frog turn into sexy Cherie very, very soon. I'll be back.
Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, Bentley.
Oh yeah, and of course, if you want to be a G, please subscribe to Triple B. Aight?
That's on me. BBB.
No, it's aight.
That's on me.
Come on. Do it. Do it!
Oh, yes.